Kagi Island Spa Resort in the Maldives is absolutely lush if you are looking for wellness and a stress-free holiday. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the Kagi Island Spa Hotel and Wellness Resort, as well as things to do, things to see, and why it most definitely should be on one of your places to visit in the Maldives, especially if you are going for the concept of recharging and relaxing and active recovery. So anyway, let me break it down for you. The Kagi Hotel and Spa is about 15 to 30 minutes away from Barlow Airport. It is one that you have to visit via seaplane, which means that you also get that seaplane experience. You go from the international airport to the domestic airport. It has its own lounge. It might take you 20 minutes, it might take you 2 hours, depending on when the seaplanes are going, because fundamentally it's like a bus system. So, you know, various seaplanes have to go to various destinations, and so you're kind of hopping on, hopping off. So we're going to Kagi in Maldives. Before we go on the seaplane, we have to wait in the lounge. So this is the lounge, and then we're gonna have some food. But the lounge chairs are so good. There's massage chairs and reclining chairs. You can definitely just have chill and sleep, or have giant cookies like we're having right now before you go onto your seaplane. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is great. Anyway, so once you get to Kagi, I remember walking into the resort and just feeling sand between my toes, which was such a humbling and grounding experience. And I was welcomed by a team member at Kagi who's gonna look after you the whole time, which was such a nice experience. They walked you around the resort. Now the resort is only 50 villas worth, so it is really small and really intimate, but that's kind of the vibe you're going for. It has a great house reef, which we'll get onto in a second, but if you're watching this for the first time, not knowing what the house reef is, like I didn't before I went to the Maldives, it is the corals and the reef that surrounds the actual island and the hotel itself, and the sea life that exists within the house, and therefore the house reef. The water villa is beautiful. It's quaint, and I wouldn't say it's small, but it's definitely smaller than the ones I've been to before, but that was not a dig. Actually, I think in this instance, it was nice that it was smaller because it was simple and it was quaint and it made you feel cozy, like a home away from home, which is the vibe they're trying to give. So two of my favorite moments. The first one was walking through the balcony into the sea, fundamentally, because you have this balcony with deck chairs, your own pool, and then you're just looking over the ocean. So that is what a water villa is for. But my second thing, and actually my most favorite thing, was the bathroom. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful bathroom they had. The interior was epic, but they had an outdoor space, which had an outdoor shower and an outdoor tub, and it was just underneath the sky. So obviously from a privacy standpoint, nobody could look into your villa. There was no planes flying past, but it was so amazing. It's 7 a.m. at Kagi Resorts, and I am going on a morning walk. You can see the main complex a little bit better with the infinity pool, water that surrounds us. I am off for a morning yoga stretch before we have breakfast. Before I went to the yoga, I went to go have fresh juice. So I had a fresh orange ginger and carrot juice whilst I looked over the bay, the deck chairs and the outdoor swimming pool, and then the sea. Just basically in your own infinity island at this point. So the wellness center is basically circular and it has windows. So we did yoga looking over to the sea, which was lovely. And then after that went to have breakfast. Just filled my plate up with fruits, which is gonna be the starter for a yummy breakfast. So we napped after breakfast and then woke up, and now we're at Spa Corner, which is the restaurant in the spa, and we're gonna have a yummy lunch. We went with the instructor to snorkel, and it makes you feel more confident, especially as somebody who's not a confident swimmer. And I learned how to swim to go to the Maldives, and who's not maybe a confident snorkeler. It was great to have somebody who takes you through the shallow waters and, you know, explains all the various sea lives to you. We also saw the colorful coral under the sea life, and then coral that like opens and closes and opens and closes, the kind of coral that you're going to see in Little Mermaid and think, what is this based off? And you go to somewhere like the Kagi House Reef. So once a week, the management do a kind of afternoon tea with the guests so we can have a discussion, and we just spent the last 90 minutes talking to the resort manager, which was great. And now we are off to the Nonna restaurant for Italian food for dinner. one, this was a very full-on day. After the gym, went for a walk and then went straight to breakfast. After breakfast, I went and ran and got my snorkeling gear because the whole point of staying at a water villa is that you can literally walk out of your villa and enjoy the water, which is exactly what I did. So for a few hours, I went snorkeling, I saw the stingrays, I saw the baby shark, and I just enjoyed myself in that experience. We are off to play pickleball, and this is the only pickleball court in all of Maldives. Now, the Kagi Maldives has the only and the biggest pickleball arena in the Maldives. Now, if you don't know what pickleball is, it is basically a cross between tennis and table tennis. So we just played about an hour of pickleball, and honestly, it's very fun, but the rules are quite difficult to follow. So it's a learn on the job type of scenario. I'm currently, well, I've left everyone. I'm off to sound healing, which is one of the many wellness classes that they offer here before going for dinner. But I have to say that if you are looking for a space in the Maldives or otherwise that offers a really nice community feel, great food, great service, and is focused on well-being, I definitely would recommend Kagi. And you know, you're playing pickleball with the management and with the other residents who are staying here, so it really does feel like this island community life, which is really unique benefit. And then in the evening, they actually had a movie night. And this movie night, it was the Avengers. We watched Avengers Endgame and had pizza and fresh drinks. The crowd is there watching and really absorbed into the cinema, surrounded by open water and glorious stars that are shimmering in the night sky, because you don't get that in London. The next day I got up and it was quite a work heavy day. I first interviewed Ali, who is one of the marketing directors at Crown and Champa, that actually are the agents and kind of hospitality group that own Kagi Hotel. So there's a video there and you can learn all, not just about Kagi Hotel, but the Maldives in general. I also then had a workshop for LinkedIn, which I could have done in person, but obviously I was at the Maldives and I wasn't gonna give that up. You know, it was a really interesting experience because I'm sitting there delivering the workshop whilst I can see my balcony, which goes straight into the villa, which goes straight into the water, which goes straight into the sea. And then I'm zooming in to LinkedIn, who are an office in London and other global spaces just online. It was this like blended experience of these two worlds that I'm living as a business person, as a traveler. Holistically, that moment really captured everything I am and, you know, everything that I want to be. And then in the evening, the Kagi Hotel had created this excursion for everyone who was staying on the island to go and see the dolphins. You know, the people on the boat really took it upon themselves to go and make sure that we all saw the dolphins. This is so amazing. They're putting on a show for us. So you're watching the dolphin do that over the sun, which is already round. It just made me fall back in love with Earth, which is such a dramatic thing to say. Oh, it's our last day in the Maldives, and I'm really sad because I've enjoyed it so much. Going for breakfast, hopefully go snorkeling, our last snorkel, see some nice fishies, hopefully a baby shark and a turtle, let's see. The Kagi have 3 different restaurants on site. They have a sushi space, they have an Italian space, and they have more of a continental European dinner space. And then they have a full all-day restaurant, which doubles up as the breakfast bar and food that you can eat. What I really just enjoyed about the whole experience was it was very holistic. The way that architecturally this resort has been created in its circular space, the way that at all times you can see the sea from wherever you are, you can see the open skies, and they're really trying to create this wellness experience. For someone who runs a business, that's exactly what I need. So 3 days offline really helped me in centering myself and thinking about new ideas. I also just loved that I could sit outside on my own balcony in privacy and read a book, or just look into the sea and wonder, you know, who is opposite? It gives you so much opportunity to have an open mind and stay curious and just be still. And I think that stillness couldn't really be captured on camera, even though we're gonna try. And so all in all, I think the Kagi Hotel is a great experience. If you are visiting the Maldives, you're looking for wellness, recovery, active recharging, slow travel, wellness travel, time to be still, and a great place to snorkel, I definitely recommend it. So, you know, you get people like myself who went and visited and are now doing content and vlogs and articles around it to tell you all that this is somewhere that you should be considering when you are going to the Maldives. And so on that note, my name is Sonya Barlow. I'm an author, presenter and entrepreneur, and I had the pleasure of staying at the Kagi Hotel through a campaign in June 2024. All my opinions are my own and they are based on the experience that I truly had. So thank you so much to Kagi, thank you so much to Travel Bag, and I look forward to visiting the Kagi Wellness Spa, Island and Resort again very soon.